I'm from Atos. I'm the head of AI transformation. Atos is a global digital services provider, a transformation partner. We've now delivered a new Sovereign Agentic Studio solution, of which KYP is a key component. So the challenges that we were faced with was trying to get visibility of our processes. What we were finding is a lot of the business cases that we were building for our AI solutions were built upon assumptions. They were built upon estimates. What we were looking for is a way to make those hidden pieces of the process. So, for example, the workarounds that people work with in different locations. Maybe there's bits of process which aren't on the documents, the process documents. And what we were looking for is something that would sort of surface that truth, that operational truth, because that's what we need in order to kind of be able to automate it accurately, so we're able to apply agentic AI solutions to it accurately. Honestly, the biggest change for me personally was I no longer had to persuade anybody about what they were going to achieve. Yeah. I had teams that would turn to me and say, "Oh, yeah, we recognize ourselves in the data." So for me, I no longer have to spend my time arguing, fighting, persuading. They see the results and we move ahead on that very quickly. It's a huge input towards the change management process because, again, it's very difficult to change what you can't see. Yeah. So once that's made visible, it also means that we know where to apply the levers into various parts of that process to more effectively manage that change. I would say if you're interested in KYP, the one element that's really, really important is that if you want to understand what operational truth looks like, and you want that 360-degree view of the people, the process, the data, and the technology, KYP is fantastic for that. It's making the invisible visible, absolutely. Easy to work with. It just everything about the way that you relate to us as a partner, as a client. If there's anything that we need, you're very, very responsive to what we need in terms of the speed of engagement as well. Is second to none. I mean, the ability to spin up, an instance to support us, is done within days. So very, very quick. Yeah. So fantastic. Yeah. Very easy to work with.